In today's video, I will walk you through how to whiten teeth in Adobe Photoshop. To start, target the yellow tones in the teeth. Go to the Color drop-down menu and choose Yellow. Once yellow is selected, decrease the saturation to remove some of the yellow tones. Then increase the lightness to brighten the teeth. At this point, the whitening effect is pretty much done. Now, if you want to refine the result a little more, take a closer look at the image. You may notice that the adjustment is also affecting the skin because there are yellow tones in the skin as well. To fix that, select the mask on the adjustment layer and press Ctrl or Command plus I to invert it. After that, choose the brush tool and make sure white is set as the foreground color. Use a soft round brush and paint directly over the teeth to bring the whitening effect back only where you want it. You do not have to be extremely careful while painting. Just brush over the teeth naturally until the effect looks clean. If you want to spend a little more time refining the result, go back to the hue and saturation properties by double-clicking on the thumbnail. Then return to the yellow channel and adjust the color range sliders. This controls which shades of yellow are being affected by the adjustment. If there are still areas that look too yellow, continue adjusting the range until the color looks more even. On the other hand, if the gums are also being affected by the whitening adjustment, make the range narrower so the effect stays focused on the teeth. Keep making small adjustments until the whitening looks natural and balanced. And that is how you whiten teeth in Photoshop. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to give it a like. Also, do not forget to subscribe and ring the bell so you do not miss any more tips, tricks, or tutorials. I will see you in the next one. Until then, stay tuned and keep creating.